Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage debt consolidation with LightStream, beginner guide step by step clearly. Debt consolidation can be a helpful strategy for managing your financial situation. LightStream is a popular option for consolidating various types of debt. Start by assessing your current debt. Make a list of all your debts, including credit cards, loans, and other obligations. Note the interest rates and monthly payments for each debt. Calculate the total amount of debt you owe. Next, research LightStream's consolidation loan options. Visit their website to explore interest rates and loan terms. Consider the amount you wish to borrow for consolidation. Determine the ideal repayment term that fits your budget. Now, prepare your financial documents. Gather your income statements, credit score details, and any other relevant financial information. These documents will be required for the application process. Apply for a loan through LightStream. Fill out the necessary personal and financial information accurately. Be sure to review your application before submitting. If approved, review the loan agreement carefully. Pay attention to the interest rate, repayment term, and any fees associated with the loan. Once you accept the loan, LightStream will disperse the funds. Use these funds to pay off your existing debts immediately. Focus on paying down the new consolidated loan responsibly. Set up a budget that includes your new monthly payment. Consider automatic payments to ensure you never miss a due date. Monitor your financial progress regularly. Check your credit score and track your debt reduction over time. Be mindful of not accumulating new debt while repaying the loan. As you approach the end of your repayment term, assess your financial health. If necessary, consider additional budgeting or financial education resources. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.